Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to fix WordPress database error. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step to fix your WordPress database error is to properly log into your WordPress admin dashboard, and also make sure to log into your hosting provider dashboard as well. After you are properly signed in, the most common method to fix the error establishing a database connection is to open up your wp-config.php file and making sure that your database name, username, password, and server are all properly set up. This is the main cause of this database error, and by making sure our credentials are correct, you are probably gonna fix the issue. So, on your hosting provider, find the wp-config.php file within WordPress and open it up. In Bluehost, this can be found under the Databases options. Find your user, select it, and then change password. Within the wp-config.php file, you need to find these lines as I'm showing you on screen, and you need to make sure that the information presented within that file matches your name, username, password, and server correctly. After you replace these values within the wp-config.php file, the problem will most likely solve itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix WordPress database error. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.